In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a due date and time for a task in Google Tasks. We're going to keep this short, clear, and practical so you can confidently add deadlines to your to-dos without any confusion. First, open the Google Tasks app on your device. This is the standalone Tasks app where your to-dos live. If you're using it alongside Gmail or Google Calendar, that's great, but for this walkthrough, we'll be in the app itself. Once you're in, choose the list that contains the task you want to update. Lists help you group related tasks, like work, personal, or a specific project, so make sure you're in the right place before making changes. If you don't see the list you expect, look for the list selector near the top of the screen and switch to the correct one. Next, tap the task you want to edit. This opens the task details screen where you can see the title, add notes, and adjust scheduling options. We're focusing on scheduling, so look for the option labeled Add Date/Time. It may appear with a small calendar or clock icon, and it sits among the task details. Tap Add Date Time. A date picker will appear so you can choose when the task is due. Pick the exact date that matches your plan. If your task is tied to a deadline, choose that day. If it's more of a reminder for sometime this week, pick a day that gives you the right amount of runway. Keep in mind that choosing a due date helps your task show up in the right place in your Google ecosystem, such as in calendar integrations. After you've chosen the date, you'll see the option to set time. Tap Set Time if you need a specific hour and minute. This is especially helpful if the task is time sensitive, like calling someone before a cutoff or submitting something by the end of the day. If you don't set a time, the task will simply be due on that date without a specific hour, which can be fine for flexible tasks. When you're satisfied with the date, and if needed, the time, tap Done to save your changes. You'll return to the task view and should now see the due date and time clearly displayed under the task. This confirms everything is saved and scheduled. That's it. Open Google Tasks, choose your list, select your task, add a date, set a time if you want, and tap Done. With this simple workflow, your tasks become clearer, deadlines feel manageable, and you'll stay on track with far less effort.